So this exercise is called zigzag bounding. And again, it's about hip and leg loading, but learning to not just move in a forward, back, or side to side plane. So it's a bit of a hybrid of both. Want you to, once you've progressed, have learned your different marching and squatting exercises, again, as a good warm-up, if you're going to go out and play in a sporting event or you're going to go for a little bit of a run, work on trying to create a zigzag pattern where you could do a jump in a diagonal, plant, and do a land in another diagonal, putting weight off the insides of your feet. So we'll go sideways here, but you're going to push off like that. So Tiff, stand there. So you're going to push off your right leg, you're going to load weight to the inside of your foot, and you're going to drive diagonally that way, pause for a sec, and jump, go in a zigzag pattern back and forth. Good. So I'll go back again, you're going to push off, push off, push off. Try to get that little bit of a pause in between to feel like you're loading into your leg. Good. And again, you're creating that driving force of pushing with your hips and being able to just absorb the landing, use your core muscles, your athletically, driving force happens from the balls of your feet, not from your heels. So you're learning it's good for foot strength, good for your balance. You create a driving, pushing force. Again, your body's going to go, you're planting and driving on a zigzag back and forth.